Do you want to hide your private photos, videos, or documents without using any apps? In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to create a hidden file vault on Android. No extra apps needed. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. Now let's dive in. So to create a file vault on your Android device, we are going to use the file manager, okay? So I'll open the file manager and then I'll tap on internal storage, okay? But if you are having SD card in your phone, you can use that one as well, okay? So I'll tap on the internal storage, then I'll tap again on the internal storage. So here we are going to create a folder, okay? So I'll tap on the three dots and then I'll tap on create new folder. So we are going to start the naming with a dot. Okay, that makes the folder hidden. Okay, so I'm going to name the folder hidden vault. Okay, so this is the folder name dot hidden vault. So it makes the folder hidden. Then I'll tap on OK. So now folder created successfully. So when I scroll through the folders, you don't see my folder there. Okay, my vault folder there because I brought the dot, so it's hidden. Okay, so now I can move my files and folders to the hidden vault. But let me show you again how to enable the hidden vault. Okay, so I'll tap again on the file manager and then I'll go to internal storage and then internal storage and then I'll tap on the three dots here, then I'll tap on show, then I'll tap on show hidden files. So now you see hidden vault. So this is the vault I just created on my Android device. So I'll tap on that. And then in the hidden vault, I'm going to create three folders, okay, for my files, for my documents, my audio and videos. So I'll tap on the three dots and I'll create a folder named videos, okay. I'll create two more. So documents, okay, and then audio, and then audio. Okay, so I've created three folders in the vault, okay, audio, document, and videos. So now I'm going to move a file to my hidden vault, okay. So let me click on the more, then I'll tap on the Bluetooth, okay. So firstly, I'm going to move these two audio files into the vault, okay. So I'll long press on it to select it, and then I'll tap on this one also to select it. Then I'll tap on move, then I'll go to the internal storage, and then I'll tap on the hidden vault, and then I'll tap on the audio and then paste. Okay, so now I've pasted two audio files into my vault. Okay, so I'm going to copy again a document folder into my vault. Okay, so to do that, let me copy some document folder. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one. So I'll long press on it and then I'll tap on move. Okay, then I'll tap on internal storage, then I'll tap on hidden vault, and then I'll go to document and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so when I'm done, I can hide the hidden vault. Okay, so I'll go back, okay, then I'll go to all files, internal storage. Okay, then I'll tap on the internal storage and then I'll tap on the three dots here and then I'll go to show and then I'll hide the files. Okay, so now you don't see the folder I created by the name hidden vault. Okay, so this is it. You now have your own secret vaults without installing any apps. Okay, it's very quick and easy to do. Okay, and that's how you create a hidden file vault on your Android without installing any application. Please, if you find these tricks very helpful and useful, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit on the bell icon for more tech tips and hacks. Let me know in the comment section if you want more hidden Android tricks. Okay, see you in the next video and thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye for now.